have breaking news in Cadland today, as a train derailed. A northbound K train terminating at 104th Street on the B and D lines was approaching the 93rd Street Holtz Boulevard station in Cadland. Apparently, the train overshot and sped through the station, so the emergency brakes activated, causing the first two cars of the train to go off the tracks. This derailment caused scattered delays around the 5th Avenue lines. The cars that were associated in the derailment, cars 8665 and 8666 of the R160A fleet, had to be taken out of service and repaired. The PTA service app states, B, D, E, and K trains are running with severe delays in both directions while we address a train derailment near 93rd Street Holtz Boulevard. There is no B or D train service in both directions between 78th Street Waterside Boulevard and 104th Street Rentar Plaza. To avoid congestion, B trains are running on the E line between Herald Square and 57th Street, the last stop. For extra service and more reliability, some B trains are going to be rerouted to Halston Terminal, and some D trains will be extended to Halston Terminal for the time being. Sorry for the inconvenience caused.
This is East 72nd Street. This is a Potato-Brook-bound B train. The next stop is 68th Street.
Stand clear of the closing door, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
That's all for now. Potato City News, I'm Blockyish, and have a great day.